Welcome to our channel. If you need to unlock your phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to unlock devices safely and legally. Step 1. Verify your phone is eligible for unlocking based on carrier policies. Requirements typically include full device payment, active service for 60+ days, and good account standing. Step 2. Pay off any remaining device payments before requesting unlock. Carriers won't unlock phones with outstanding balances even if you've completed contract terms. Step 3. Contact your carrier through their official unlock request process. Most carriers offer online unlock requests through account portals or customer service phone numbers. Step 4. Provide required information including IMEI number and account details. Have your account password or PIN ready to verify ownership and authorization. Step 5. Wait for unlock confirmation, which typically arrives within 2 to 5 business days. Carriers send emails with unlock confirmation codes or instructions for completing the unlock process. Step 6. Follow carrier-specific unlock instructions carefully. iPhone unlocks happen automatically, while Android devices may require entering unlock codes or additional steps. Step 7. Test unlocked status by inserting a SIM card from a different carrier. If the phone connects to the new carrier's network and allows calls and data, unlocking was successful. Step 8. Keep unlock confirmation emails for your records. Documentation proves your phone is legitimately unlocked if you sell it or have questions about its status later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.